Peace. What's up? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. How important how important is it having a team around you? How important is it to build with a team? How important is it and why is it important to have good team players? The whole pyramid can come down if one individual is not on point and doesn't want to be a team player. When it comes to executing things as a team, I'll say this. Anybody who know me know I'm a team player. I've been involved in team sports pretty much my whole life. Football, track and field, mixed martial arts. All of these things have involved playing with other people to help assist you in winning. It's easy to tell. It's easy to tell who hasn't played any team sports in their life. Look how selfish. Look how arrogant. Look how cocky a motherfucker is. Especially when it's supposed to be about a team. If we're a team, then there is no I. If we're a team, you know first and foremost, you cannot do it alone. Whether you call yourself a team, a tribe, a unit, whatever, you need multiple people to help carry you. A basketball team needs multiple people to help carry them. Football team, soccer, you need a unit of people to help carry you to a win. When a motherfucker decides he don't need the help from his team, that's when it can all go to hell. When somebody decides, hey, I got this by myself, I don't need no help. Watch how long it takes you to get there. Watch how long it takes you to get there. To whatever destination you have envisioned for yourself and for your crew, watch how long it takes for you to get there. Hell, you might not even never make it for real, because you don't know it all. If you try to go on a football field right now by yourself against a full team, you're going to get clobbered. Hey, imagine you playing offense and defense as one player on the field against an entire team. Come on. It ain't going to work out in your favor. It ain't going to work out. But look at the delay. Look at the delay that an individual have when they have that type of attitude and cockiness to them. I've been in a lot of team sports my entire life, and I know first and foremost, it's so important, it's dire that you operate with your team. Everybody in your team have a specific ability, a specific skill, or art, a talent. Okay, if that's the case, then everybody should be in that field. Everybody should be expressing their talent amongst the team. Nobody is specialized in one thing. And if you do, then okay, go at it. But as an individual, if you operate in a team and you're trying to do something individually and you see that you're not getting the results that you're looking for, what's the problem? What's the problem? What is the fucking problem with accepting the help from your teammate? What's the problem? Oh, you want to be number one. You want to be number one star. And to being number one star is costing you. It's costing the team. Could be costing somebody else their life because you want to be the star. And you don't want to accept no help. Everything going to be a challenge. Nothing comes easy, but accept the help from your team. A fist is stronger than a finger. I'll blow right through a motherfucker face real quick with a fist, but a finger, I might break my shit, bro. I might break my shit trying to punch you with a finger. But I can do a lot when these motherfuckers come together. And that's what it needs to be. There's strength in numbers. There's real power in numbers. There's real strength and power in unity. If whoever you're working with teammate, tribal member, whatever, if they don't understand that, bro, y'all gonna have some issues. It's gonna be a delay in y'all process. Find you somebody, find you people that's on a collective page, on the same page, and y'all execute together. Leave these people leave these arrogant airheads alone. Niggas who think they know everything. Oh, I don't need no help. I got this and shit. Man, that's all I'm gonna leave with right there. Leave them alone. They wasting your time and they wasting their own time. Don't let them waste your time. Find you somebody who wants to be a team player, who wants to build together. Leave that cocky shit at the door. But y'all already know what it is. It's Rich Meal, and I'll be back with another one. Yes, sir.